My name is Samir. A few years ago, I noticed something strange about myself. I could not focus for long. When I opened a book, my mind wandered after a few minutes. When I started studying, I suddenly remembered my phone. When I tried to learn English, I switched between many things. A video, a message, another video. My attention felt broken into small pieces. At first, I thought this was normal. After all, everyone around me was doing the same thing. But one day, my teacher said something that made me think deeply. He said, "The ability to focus is becoming rare. Most people are distracted all the time. But the people who learn to focus deeply will have a great advantage in life." That sentence stayed in my mind. That evening, I decided to observe my own habits. I sat down with my notebook to study English vocabulary. Within 5 minutes, I checked my phone. 10 minutes later, I opened another app. Then I returned to my notebook. I realized something surprising. The problem was not the difficulty of learning. The problem was my attention. My mind had become used to constant distraction. The next day, I tried a simple experiment. I turned my phone off for 30 minutes. Then I sat at my desk with one goal: read and understand one page of English text. At first, it felt uncomfortable. My mind kept searching for distractions. I wanted to check my phone. I wanted to open another tab. But I stayed with the page. Slowly, my attention became stronger. 30 minutes passed, and for the first time in many days, I felt satisfied with my learning. The next day, I repeated the experiment. 30 minutes again, then 40 minutes, then 1 hour. Something interesting started happening. The more I practiced focusing, the easier it became. My brain felt sharper. I understood English articles faster. I remembered new words more easily. But the biggest change was inside my mind. Instead of feeling restless, I felt calm. Instead of jumping between many things, I could stay with one task. I also noticed something about the world around me. Many people were always busy, but not always productive. Their attention was scattered, and scattered attention creates scattered results. Deep focus, on the other hand, creates deep learning. It allows you to understand ideas clearly. It allows you to build skills faster, and it gives you a sense of control over your mind. Today, I still live in the same distracted world. Phones still exist. Notifications still appear. But now I make a conscious choice. Sometimes I turn everything off. Just me, my book, and my thoughts. Because in a world full of distractions, focus becomes a superpower. Final thought. The mind becomes stronger when it learns to stay in one place. Practice focusing on one task at a time. Over time, your attention will grow stronger, and strong attention creates strong learning. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep training your focus. And always remember, in a distracted world, deep focus is a powerful skill.